Buying a car is one of the biggest financial decisions you'll make. Whether you choose a brand new car or a used vehicle, each option comes with its own set of benefits and drawbacks. The decision isn't just about price. It's about value, reliability, depreciation, financing, and personal preferences. So which is the smarter choice for car buyers in the US? Let's break it down and help you make the best decision. Why buy a new car? 1. Cutting-edge technology and features. One of the biggest advantages of a new car is that it comes with the latest technology, safety, and convenience features. Modern cars are equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, better fuel efficiency and hybrid or electric options, improved infotainment systems, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging. If having the latest features is important to you, a new car is the better option. 2. Manufacturer warranty and reliability. New cars come with a manufacturer's warranty that typically lasts 3 to 5 years, or 36,000 to 60,000 miles, covering most mechanical and electrical issues. Some brands even offer free maintenance for a certain period. With a brand new vehicle, you won't have to worry about unexpected repairs, making it a stress-free ownership experience. 3. Customization and personalization. When buying new, you can choose exterior color, trim level and options, interior materials, additional features like a premium sound system or heated seats. This allows you to get exactly what you want rather than settling for what's available. Lower interest rates and financing offers. Car manufacturers and dealerships often offer low interest financing or cash incentives on new vehicles, making them more attractive. Some brands offer 0% APR financing, which isn't available for used cars. This means that while a new car costs more upfront, you could pay less interest over the long term. 5. No wear and tear or hidden issues. With a new car, you're the first owner, so there are no concerns about previous accidents, hidden mechanical issues, or excessive wear and tear. There's also no need to worry about how the car was maintained. It starts fresh with you. Why buy a used car? 1. Lower purchase price. The biggest reason buyers choose a used car is affordability. A used car is significantly cheaper than a new one, allowing you to get a better model or higher trim level for the same price. Avoid expensive add-ons that come standard with new cars. Buy a luxury brand instead of settling for a budget-friendly new car. For example, for $30,000, you could buy a brand new Toyota Corolla or a lightly used BMW 3 Series. 2. Avoid depreciation loss. New cars lose 20 to 30% of their value in the first year and 50% within the first 5 years. Buying used means you avoid the steepest part of depreciation. For instance, a brand new $50,000 car might be worth $35,000 after a year. But if you buy a 1 to 2-year-old model, you'll save thousands without sacrificing much quality. 3. Lower insurance costs. Used cars generally have lower insurance premiums since insurance is based on vehicle value. The lower the car's price, the lower the insurance cost. A new car's higher replacement cost makes it more expensive to insure, while a used car's depreciated value results in cheaper insurance rates. 4. Certified pre-owned, short CPO, the best of both worlds. If you want the peace of mind of a new car but at a lower price, consider a certified pre-owned CPO vehicle. CPO cars are inspected and refurbished by the manufacturer, come with an extended warranty, often include special financing offers. CPO cars provide new car reliability without the hefty price tag. 5. More variety and better availability. The used car market offers a wider selection of vehicles, including older models, discontinued trims, and unique options that may not be available in new cars. If you have specific preferences or a limited budget, shopping used allows greater flexibility and choice. Key factors to consider when choosing new versus used one, your budget and financial goals. Ask yourself, how much can I afford to spend? Am I financing or paying in cash? Can I handle the higher monthly payment of a new car? Or if you're on a tight budget, a used car may be the smarter choice. If you want long-term reliability and the latest features, a new car may be worth the investment. 2. How long you plan to keep the car short-term, 2 to 4 years. Buy used to avoid depreciation, long-term 5+ years. Buy new for reliability and warranty benefits. 3. Repair and maintenance costs. Used cars may require repairs sooner, but their overall cost is lower than a new car's depreciation loss. However, some used luxury cars have expensive maintenance costs, e.g. BMW, AUDI, MERCEDES. So research the total cost of ownership before buying. 4. Financing and interest rates. New cars often have better financing deals, 0% APR cash rebates. Used cars may have higher interest rates, but their lower price reduces total loan costs.